In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the address on Shopify, whether you're moving your business location, changing where you receive your invoices, or just need to update your records. Knowing how to change your address in Shopify is essential. Let me guide you through the process, which is both straightforward and quick, ensuring that your store's information is always current. First, let's start by heading over to your Shopify admin. Sign into your account and you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This area is your headquarters for managing all of your Shopify activities. From here, you have access to everything you need, including updates, sales analytics, customer orders, and of course, your account settings. Now that you're on the main dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the page. Here, you will find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial as it allows you to control various aspects of your store, from general settings to shipping details. Essentially, most of your administrative adjustments happen here. Once you're in the settings, you'll notice a variety of options to choose from. The one we are interested in today is the General category, where you can manage your store's basic information. Click on General to proceed. Inside the General settings, look for the section labeled Billing Address. This is where you can update the address details associated with your Shopify account. Your billing address is important because it's used for invoice receipts and other transactional purposes, so it's essential to keep this up to date. Upon clicking on Billing Address, a new section will open where you have the option to edit your existing information. You'll see a box titled Address. Click on this and you will be able to enter your new address details. Make sure to double-check the information you enter, as accuracy is important here. Mistakes could lead to issues with service or delivery, so take your time to ensure everything is correct. After making the necessary changes, look for a button to save these updates, usually just labeled Save at the bottom of the screen. Clicking this will ensure that all your edited information is stored correctly in the Shopify system. And there you have it. Updating your address on Shopify is as simple as navigating through a few menu options and filling in the necessary fields. Now that your address is updated, you can rest easy knowing that all shipments and invoices will reach their correct destination. Thank you for following along with me today. I hope you found this guide useful and feel free to reach out if you have any more Shopify-related questions. Happy selling!